This tutorial video will show how to create the configuration file for head embedded fish in order to run the tracking later on. First, select the video for which you want to create a configuration file. Here, select tail tracking for head embedded fish. If you want bouts of movements to be detected, click on the button to do so. The video we chose is of high quality with a high contrast between the fish and the background, so we can assume that the tracking will be of good quality. However, if we want bout detection to occur, we should click on the button Adjust Bout Detection. In order to optimize the detection of bouts, adjust parameters for the red dot to appear on the top left corner of the image for every frame when the fish is moving. The red dot should not appear when the fish is not moving. First, choose the size of the sub-video to be centered on the fish and only on the fish. ZebraZoom detects movement by subtracting subsequent images and by counting the number of pixels above a certain threshold. At this stage, adjust the threshold to optimize detection of bouts. To check that the red dots appears at the right times, use the cursor or the page up, page down for fast forward, or the arrows of the keyboard to inspect each frame. Set the minimum number of white pixels to a value slightly higher than 0. The configuration file is now done. First, save it. In order to check that this configuration file works well for this video, launch the tracking on a subsection of the video with this configuration file. While the tracking runs for a few seconds, you can check the console to monitor progress. On this tracking validation page, you can now check that the tracking worked well for your video. Make sure that the green dots from the posture estimated by ZebraZoom fall on the tail of the fish. The tracking points on the body are only shown when the bout was detected by ZebraZoom. This allows you to validate the bout detection. If this tracking test failed, you should click on the Optimize button. Here, the tracking test succeeded, so you can now go back to the Welcome page and use the configuration file to launch the tracking on one or multiple videos.